Hi, and welcome aboard Splendid Behavior. We are Lisa and Wesley, and this is Splendid Behavior. She is a 2019 Fleming 78, and we think she's quite amazing. She is our home away from home. We are so excited to share this journey as we make our way from Stuart, Florida to Grenada, making stops along the way. As we make this journey, we want to share it with our family, friends, and anyone who loves the seas as much as we do. We hope there'll be many more adventures to come. It's all about making memories to remember and share with you. So let's be splendid. Woohoo! We have made it. Crossing from Mayaguana to Turks and Caicos, 6 hours in 6 to 8 foot seas, not so great. But as we got closer and radioed the marina, it was a lovely sight to see a center console waiting to guide us in. We had arrived to Blue Haven Resort and Marina. It is beautiful. Not far from the marina, we found a hiking trail, Bird Rock Trail, and decided to venture out. There was not much of a sign, but the hike was an easy 2 miles. There are signs along the way showing you all kinds of beautiful birds you may see. Once you make it to the end, the blue water surrounds you, and well, that's all I need to say. From birds to ballyhoo and sea turtles. The wildlife is pretty cool, especially in such clear blue waters. We took the tender out most days to explore the different keys around us. Mangrove Key, Little Water Key, Delis, and Parrot, just to explore the lay of the land. We enjoyed some great food and had lunch at Land and Sea, Del Mar Restaurant and Beach Club, and Cabana Bar, which all were fantastic. But don't forget, Sunday Funday, you have to go and check out Noah's Ark. Can't be missed. We are all back to enjoy our family time and bring in 2026 together. Cheers to all.
Submarine place, I think, and maybe a charter thing. I don't really know. Those ferries look like submarines to me. And so now we're on the way to a shipwreck that he informed us about. All right, later, kids.
We enjoyed a great dinner for New Year's Eve at the Marine Room, which I definitely would recommend. The food, the drinks, dessert, and service was amazing. We took a long tender ride to North Caicos to Belfield Landing and had lunch. From there we went through the cut at Parrot Key Channel. This is a beautiful cut where you can see lots of sea turtles and starfish. through the channel, as we were headed back to the marina, we stopped at what is known as Iguana Island to check out the little creatures in Half Moon Bay. Before departing ways, we enjoyed a nice dinner at Almond Tree. Wonderful dinner, drinks, service, and atmosphere. Would definitely go again.